Here's how you can start making $100 a day with affiliate marketing, starting absolutely from scratch. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing, but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to subscribe because I post content every single week. So in today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. Okay, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. For example, if somebody is selling a product that costs $80 and he's offering a 50% commission on every sale for affiliate marketers, then you as an affiliate marketer would make $40 on every sale that you make for that person. Okay, the great thing with affiliate marketing is that you don't have to worry about product creation, you don't have to worry about inventory, you don't have to worry about shipping products to your customers, you don't have to worry about refunds. You know, all those things are taken care by the product creator himself. All you need to do as the affiliate marketer is to drive traffic and generate sales. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to get started online when trying to make money, and it's also a very low risk business model and a lot of time low investment as well. So how do you get started with this? So step one is to pick a niche and a product. This is very important because if you pick the wrong niche or the wrong product right from the start, then everything afterwards will be almost useless. Okay, you want to pick something, a niche or a product that you know is high in demand and is selling very well at the moment. Okay, you don't want to go and reinvent the wheel. You don't want to pick a random product that you don't know is going to sell and then try to sell it. Okay, you want to pick something that you know is already selling and something that you know there's a huge demand for that niche. Okay, it can be niches that tend to do very well for affiliate marketing. Can be anything from, you know, photography niche, travel, sports, weight loss, fitness, yoga. You've got like the relationship niche, you got like the finance niche. Okay, there's a ton of niches out there that you can make money from with affiliate marketing. When picking a product to promote as an affiliate marketer, there's a ton of different websites you can go to, but two of the popular websites that a lot of affiliate marketers go to pick products to promote, there's one called Digistore24, which is very popular. You've got a bunch of different products on this affiliate network. Anybody can sign up from anywhere in the world. You get a ton of different products that you can choose. And there's also another one called ClickBank. ClickBank is very, very popular amongst affiliate marketers. They've been around for a really long time. And I'm going to show you in this video how to pick a product from ClickBank so that you pick the right one right from the start. Okay, so if you don't have a ClickBank account yet, just go to the ClickBank website and sign up for one account. It's very easy. You just have to fill out some basic forms and then you'll have your account created immediately. Once you have an account, simply log in and you want to go to Marketplace. Okay, once you've gone to the Marketplace, you will see that you will be presented with this particular page here. On the left, you'll see the category sections. Those are basically the different niches that you can start promoting products from. You've got, like, for example, the computer and internet niche. You've got like the cooking niche where you have different products in the recipes, diets, vegetables for vegetarians. You've got like the health and fitness niche as well, which is a really huge niche in affiliate marketing, where you can promote products in the weight loss niche, diets, nutrition, yoga. So there's a ton of different niches that you can pick a product from in this particular section here. If you don't know which niche or which product to pick from and you want to know what are the products that are selling very well at the moment on ClickBank, then what you can do is you can simply go where it says find products, leave the search bar empty and then simply click on find. Okay, and what will happen is ClickBank will show you a bunch of different products that are selling very well at the moment. You want to sort all the results by gravity, and what this means is each product will have a gravity score, and what this score means is it's a measure of how popular a particular product is amongst affiliate marketers. The higher the gravity score, then the higher the number of affiliates making money promoting this particular product. For example, this product here, Java Burn, has a gravity of 638. And what this means is there are over 638 affiliates making money promoting this particular product. Some of them might be making 1 sale a day, some of them might be making 50 sales a day. It does not tell you exactly how many sales it's making, but it's a good measure of how popular this product is amongst affiliate marketers, because if it's selling very well for them, then it means it's a very good product with a good sales funnel. And if it's selling very well for other affiliates, then it will sell very well for you. But what you want to do when picking a product to promote is to pick a product that has a gravity score of at least more than 30 and maybe less than 500, because if you go for a product that has a really high gravity score, then chances are it's very competitive. So you want to pick a product that does not have too high of a gravity score, but at the same time you don't want to pick a product that have too low of a gravity score, if you understand what I mean. One other thing you want to look at is the average conversion. Okay, you don't want to pick a product where you only get paid $5 or $10 on every sale. You want to pick a product that has a very good affiliate commission rate. For example, maybe $65. This one has like $100. Okay, $100 here as well, $116, $151, the average conversion. So you can make a lot of money from those particular products. One other thing you want to look at is you want to look if those products have an affiliate page, as you can see in here. And what this means is the creator of that product has provided you with additional resources that you can use to promote his product. Maybe banners, email swipes, maybe pictures, video testimonials, video ads. So ideally you want to pick a product that has an affiliate page so that you know you have tools and resources that you can use in your arsenal to promote this particular product. This is not absolutely necessary, but it can help a lot if you have one of those products that have those affiliate pages. For example, if you look at this product here, the Smoothie Diet 21, it has an affiliate page here. And if you click on that page and you go to the page, you will see that, let's click on get your affiliate tools here. And you will see that the creator of this product has provided you with a bunch of different resources that you can use, as well as really important information. For example, it's telling you that this product, the Smoothie Diet, sells very well amongst women. Only 15% of men buy this product. It sells very well in the age range of 30 to 60. It sells very well in those countries. It has provided you with a bunch of other resources as well, such as sales videos, testimonials. You've also got email swipes. So if you're building an email list, you can send a bunch of emails to your audience. You've also been provided with product images and banners. So it can help really a lot if you pick a product that already has an affiliate page, because then you have a lot of resources that you can use in your affiliate marketing business. For the purpose of this video, let's just say I wanted to promote a product in the dog niche, right? So you could simply go to where it says find products and type in the word dog, click on search, and basically you will have a bunch of different products that you can sell in the dog niche. One product that I know sells very well is this one here, Brain Training for Dogs. This product has been on ClickBank for a really long time and it is still selling very well. As you can see, it has a gravity of about 93, which means that there are 93 affiliates making money with this particular product, and this product tends to sell very well. So if you want to sell a product like this, all you have to do is click on promote and you will get your affiliate links that you can send traffic to and start making money from. So step one was to pick a niche and a product. Okay, so now step two is to build a bridge page or landing page. Now this is not absolutely necessary, but it is very much recommended. When you're going to generate traffic for your affiliate product, ideally you want to send that traffic to an intermediary page before sending that traffic to your affiliate offer. And the reason why you want to do this is because a lot of those websites that you're going to drive traffic from, they don't usually like it when you send traffic directly to your affiliate offer, because for numerous reasons, sometimes they might ban you, they might take your links down, they might even shut down your account. So to be on the safe side, ideally you want to build what we call a bridge page or a landing page. This can be like an article page similar to this one. For example, you have an article here about dog training where the writer is providing some value on how to train your dogs, and then you could have your affiliate link somewhere in your article where you would drive your traffic to. You can also have like a video page, or you can have like a opt-in page where you would collect the email addresses of your targeted audience so that you can keep up with them, so that you can send them value every single day and build trust with your audience. So there are different types of bridge pages or landing pages that you can build. How you would go about building those pages, you could use software or tools like, for example, there's ClickFunnels, which is a very popular tool among affiliate marketers where you can build landing pages and funnels. There's another one called Kartra. There's another one called Builderall. And one that I like to use a lot is Systeme.io. They have like a free plan to do to get started with this, where you can build a bunch of different, websites, blogs, or funnels and landing pages. So those are tools that you would use to build bridge pages and landing pages that you can send your traffic to before sending them to your affiliate offer. And then finally, the last step is to build traffic. You need traffic in order to make sales. Without traffic, you're never gonna make any sales. And there's two ways you can build traffic: paid traffic or free traffic. Paid traffic obviously is going to cost you some money, but the good thing with paid traffic is that it's very quick. You can generate a ton of traffic overnight, but the downside obviously is that it will cost you a little bit of money to get started with. But there's a bunch of different options out there. You've got like Facebook ads, you've got like YouTube ads, you've got maybe TikTok ads, Pinterest ads. So you've got a lot of different websites that you can buy and where you can buy traffic from and start generating sales as soon as possible. Now, if paid traffic is not an option for you, then obviously the second route would be free traffic. And again, you can get free traffic on websites like YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram. But the one that I would recommend you to do if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing is to try maybe Instagram. And how you could go about generating a ton of traffic for your affiliate offer with Instagram is you could go about doing what we call theme pages. Those are very popular, and the good thing with theme pages is you don't have to really create content. What you're doing is curating other people's content, but obviously you have to give them credit when you're posting content on your page. Theme pages are basically Instagram pages where you are curating viral content from other people's Instagram pages. And basically when you do this, your page starts to become a bit like an authority in that niche, and people will start following you because they know you're always and constantly curating viral content. Obviously, as I've said, when you're doing this, you need to give credit to other people when you're taking their content and posting it on your Instagram page. You can't just take other people's content and expect that you won't get any trouble by posting the other people's content. So you need to give them credit in the description. In some cases, it might be even better idea to message them and ask them if it's okay for you to repost their content on your page. A lot of time they will be totally fine as long as you give them credit in the description. But this is a very cool way of generating free traffic, especially for affiliate marketing, because you don't have to create any content. You just create other people's content, and by doing this you can post 5, 6, 7 pieces of content every single day and grow your account very, very quickly. And as your account grows, you will start generating a ton of traffic to your affiliate offer, and you can start making a bunch of money. So for example, you could do something similar to this page here. This is an Instagram dog theme page where they post viral content about dogs, sometimes videos, sometimes pictures. And as you can see, they've built a huge following over the years to over 1.6 million followers. And basically none of those content is really their content. They're just reposting other people's content, obviously giving them credit in the description. But as you can see, this is a very cool way of building traffic. You don't have to create any content. You just curate other people's content. And that's how over time you build a huge amount of traffic in your desired niche. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked this straight to the point introduction on how to get started with affiliate marketing. And I hope you've also liked some of the tips that I've shared with you. Don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.